Knowing your cost structure is critical in running a successful business. And that is why HP has taken the time to build out some robust tools for their PrintOS solution to help you understand the true cost of operating your printer. I'm Bob Meller, Product Manager and Color Solution Specialist here at IT Supplies, and today I'm going to show you how HP's robust accounting tool can help you identify your cost per print. Let's take a look. So here I am. I have logged into PrintOS.com. If you have an HP latex printer or most of HP's more industrial roll-to-roll and flatbed printers, then you probably have access to this already. So after we log into the PrintOS.com, we're going to go into this area called production data. All right, here we can see all of our equipment. Right now we have 5 devices showing, and we can see, what's been going on in our showroom over the last 2 weeks. But we don't want to see all that right now. So I am only going to focus on the HP Latex R1000 today. And we'll just change our timeline to the last week. So, all right. The first thing you want to know about getting accurate accounting is we want to go over to this left side and go into the settings area. Here in the settings area, you can actually go to something called cost assignment. This is where you go to put in the ink cost and the substrate cost of your material. So let's just take a look. For my R1000 printer, I can just click on this button to edit, and you'll see right here we have $285. That's the web price for each of these cartridges that we are using in the R1000. So I'll hit OK, and that is fine. We can do the same thing with our substrate costs. So if we go up here, you just click the edit button. You can put in the name, the width, the length, the price, and then it'll do the price per square foot calculation for you. So let's go ahead, close that out. Once you've done this, you can go back to your jobs area. So here we have the recent jobs that we've gone ahead and run on this particular printer. One of the nice things that HP introduced within the last year or so is the ability to show some of the maintenance routines as well. If I go up to this top area right here, there is an on-off button that I can click, and it'll actually show maintenance routines and the data for how much ink was used, if there was ink used, for running that particular maintenance. So that's one thing that really helps when you're trying to analyze your overall cost structure. If I go into any particular job, I can actually see what we were printing on, what the ink used actually was, and then down here is the total cost of the ink for that particular printer, or for that particular print. If we go back into the jobs area, a lot of people ask, how can I download this data so that I can use it within a spreadsheet, a CSV file, something easy? Well, the answer is, it's up in your upper right corner here. So once you've filtered out what you want, so you have the printer that you want to analyze, the time frame that you want to analyze, you can actually just go here and you can click on the Export Data button, and it's going to create a file for you. And that file is going to look something like this. So you have your device name, you have your start time, your end time, the print time, the completed results, substrate name, and here is your total cost and it'll show you the substrate cost. And as we scroll over, you can actually see your cost per milliliter for each of the individual inks and your total ink cost. I hope this has helped you identify some very key and strategic tools that will help your business grow in the future. So if you have any questions or comments or anything, please go ahead and reach out to IT Supplies and your sales rep. They're more than happy to help you when it comes to printing and color management.